beautiful day. I'm back again with a quick makeup look. So let's get ready. I just moisturized my face and I'm gonna conceal my eyelids to do my eye makeup. So I'm gonna use Nudes palette by Maybelline, which I got from India. And I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty brushes. Again, I bought them from India, and I've got this eyeliner. I bought it from Poundland. The Poundland has like 1 pound eyeliners, so it's like really good quality to be very honest. And I have gone with my winged eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go with mascara, which I got from India again. It's by the brand Maybelline. Voluminous lashes. I guess I don't really remember the name of the mascara, but yeah. And I'm gonna just take my retractable kajal, which I got from Rimmel London from Superdrug. So I'm gonna use the kajal to do the top waterline, and I'm gonna just draw it like that, and I'm gonna do the waterline with the same kajal. I really like to do waterline, but just because I do a long wing, I don't do it that often. But today I'm in a mood to do that. And this is another gel eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris, I guess. Not L'Oreal, I don't really remember, but yeah. And after my tight line, can you see my eyes looks really nice, jet black. And I'm gonna color correct my face with the red color corrector, orange color corrector I bought from India again. And yeah, and I'm gonna take my Maybelline concealer. This is like really like my shade, like it matches really well. So I'm going to simply blend that. And now I'm gonna go with my foundation. Okay, first I'm gonna conceal it properly. So I'm gonna with the foundation. The foundation is from MAC, and I'm in the shade NC46. Actually, my shade is a bit darker. The NC46 is like really light. I think it's 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. So yeah, next time I'm gonna buy like 1 shade darker. But this is how it looks like. On camera it looks like my shade, but honestly in real life, in like natural light, it looks like way lighter than my skin tone, and I don't really like to look lighter than my skin tone. It looks like I'm trying to be white, whatever. So this is how my foundation looks like. Okay, I forgot to show you my compact powder. I also put compact powder. I bought from number 7 brand. And also, okay, the video is too fast, I'm not able to speak. So I'm just doing my blusher, and I'm gonna go with Kylie Jenner's lipstick, and I don't really remember the shade and all. I'll have everything listed in the description box down below if you want to check it out. So I'm done with the makeup. I'm so sorry that I did not explain you really well. I'm not going to do this voiceover thing because it's so difficult to explain. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Actually, I forgot to do eyebrows, and I started, taking my outro. But I'm yeah now. While I was doing outro, I was like, oh, something is missing, and then I saw my eyebrows weren't done. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and I did my eyebrows with the kajal, which I ordered from Timo, and I really don't wanted to use it as a kajal, so I'm using the eyebrow pencil. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed this quick get ready video with me. And if you want to see more of such videos, make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.